Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we will going to share with you all a first DIY project that we did in our home. So we decided we will do a DIY project transformation for our backyard. So we decided to do everything ourselves. So for you all information, we're not professional. We do everything. It's just me and my husband and our two kids. It's like a family project that we decided for our home. So it's a kind of like fun, you know, afterwards. But I will tell you this doesn't take like a minute or hour. It takes hours and days for us, especially when you have a toddler. It kind of like hard for you to, you know, to do completely in a one day. So we stop, like we do everything like in a half day. So I'll show you all in a second. Before we get started, if you are new in our channel, I am Mitch and I do a product review for mommies, for kids, and for home essentials, some DIY. So if you are interested with those, hit the subscribe red button down below. Get notified every time I will going to upload a video. And yeah, let's go ahead and start this. So here guys is our backyard. So as you could see in our patio, since we moved here, we already have a concrete slab in here. So yes, we used to hang out here with the kiddos, and so me and my husband decided to kind of like expand it a little more, you know, using the Paver set, you know, that we found onto the Lowe's. So we decided to do it this time, you know, around. So before it got really hot here. So as you all know, you know, we're here in Texas. And the weather here, sometimes it get a little crazy, you know, like you get a lot of rain, like what happened to us, and leave us a lot of mud here. But anyway, this is the space that I'm talking about. We measure it 8 by 10. So yesterday we went to the Lowe's to kind of like canvas there, and this is the color of the brick that we choose. And so today we're going to come back there. So right now we're here at the Lowe's to shop for the materials that we're going to use for our project. Like what I said earlier, you know, we're already coming here a couple of days ago to kind of like canvas and look around. And yeah, me and my husband, we enjoy to come in here. And you could always order it online and they'll going to deliver it for you guys. Here guys, we already choose the Paver brick that we're going to use for our patio, and we choose the color red, and there's a lot of design and color that you could choose from. You could choose the single one, even a big one that you could get that already have a different design. So it's kind of cool, you know, to look around here. Look at this guy, even this one is enjoying our trip here. So here guys, I'm going to show you what we use for our project. We're going to use this step 1. So this is a paper base actually. So there's a step 1 and there's a step 2 right here. So actually that will do it already, but we're going to set it with this paper set that I just shown a while ago. And yeah, we're back here at the house. So we're going to continue what we started on yesterday, and we're going to start on this side. For here, my husband is just working on kind of like leveling it, you know. So this side is the one that we started on, and I'm trying to also, you know, taking out and trying to save, you know, the sod, the grass that, you know, we have it from here, from before, and to kind of like give it to somebody else that needing it. And as you could see here, everyone is involved, you know, and this little guy here is enjoying what he's doing and what he's seeing. So yeah, everyone is involved, you know. We enjoy pretty much, you know, the whole day, you know, doing this project. Anyway guys, like what I mentioned earlier in this video, we are not professionals. So this first DIY project that we did in our backyard, in our home, is our own decision. And for us, it's kind of like worth it, because rather than paying somebody else to do it, you know, for us, like since my husband is off to work and then I'm here in the house, you know, for us we like it because, you know, it's kind of like spending time also with the kiddos, you know, with your husband, and then we enjoy it. Let me know guys in the comment section if you love doing a project also involving your family. You know, some people they like to do DIY, you know, some other people they like to hire somebody else to do it. But yeah, we have our own opinion about it. So let me know down in the comment section what you think about this project. And as you can see here, we're already making a progress, and it's just time consuming because of, you know, to do this, you know, like leveling it. I think when you already have a prepared space, you know, for your project, it will be so much easier. You know, I think for us, it takes so much time also removing the grass and all that. And yeah, if you already know the material that you're going to use, you know, you just order it in the Lowe's or, you know, into your local store, and then they have it delivered. You know, it will be so much easier. By the way guys, the paver set that we choose for this project is very simple. You know, it's just an easy step. The step 1 is basically for the base, and then the step 2, as you could see here, is more on for leveling. And yeah, the only thing here is because the brick that we choose, you know, is a little big. So when doing, you know, like a lifting like that, it's very heavy because each brick here is weigh like almost 30 pounds. So it's really a workout for us. And for our final set, we will going to use the very fine texture of a sun from the Sacred. That's a paver set that you could put to kind of like secure everything up, and, you know, with the spacing and all that. So finally, we're already here on the last piece of the brick that we're going to put on this side. So this is the last one. And yeah, me and my husband decided that we don't want it to leave it like as is like this. So we decided to go back to the Lowe's and get kind of like this single piece of the brick that to match on this color. So we measure everything out, and this kind of brick that you could also use to do like a landscaping. So we researched something, you know, because we're having a hard time, we needed to cut it. So like what I said, we're not professional, but everything you could do, you know, by researching. So we use tools from the Lowe's as well to cut a brick like this. So I will going to also leave that in my description box in case you might need. So as you could see, this one needs to be cut for this corner. So I will going to show you how he will going to cut this using this tool. So we're almost done right here, guys. He just came back and kind of like level everything out, and now we're here on our final step, which is the paver set. It's a very fine texture of a sun that you will put on the top to kind of like secure everything up and kind of, you know, set everything and with the spacing and all the gap. So you will just going to flush it with water, and after that, you know, leave it for like 2 days, you know, to dry up. And yeah, this is our new paver brick patio that we did in how many days? I think like we did this for like 3 days. So there you go, guys. This is what the result of it, and I'm so happy finally, we make a decision to do it ourselves. And I really like it. The family loves it so much, especially the kids. Now you could put the furniture here outside, secured everything up. I really love the colors. It popped up here in our backyard, and we receive a lot of compliments from our friends and family. And yeah, it gives a lot of statement to kind of like match up the color of our house and our furniture here in the backyard. So for all in all budget, guys, we spend like more or less like $300 for everything, and we still have like a leftover materials that we could use for the next one. So yes, and what do you think about this project, guys? And I think we make a great job, doing this project, considering we are first timer, on this kind of project, for our home. Let us know, guys, what you thought about this project. And yeah, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much, guys, for watching our videos, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.